Some more great benefits of our Hydra Home Unit here from Healthy Hydration. This not only makes hydrogen water, which is great for your whole family, and it filters it, it also makes ozone water. If you don't know about ozone, there's so many different things you can do with it, from washing your face to doing your laundry with it, brushing your teeth with it. You can use it as mouthwash. You can use it as deodorant. Some people consume it as an alternative for other things that will kill internal bacteria. Definitely do your research on that first before you just start to drink that water. But what I'm doing today is I am in preparation mode right now for my upcoming contest, a fitness contest. So I want to make sure to wash off these herbicides, pesticides, and fungicides that are on our food. So simply just take ozone water here, let stand for 5 minutes or so, drain it off, then rinse with just standard water. And then what is happening chemically in here is the ozone goes in and it basically destroys the pesticide and renders it harmless. It's chemical structure. And so that's why we love it so much. It's very healthy. And then I've got the whey protein here. This comes from Healthy Hydration as well. This is no herbicides, no pesticides, no fungicides. There's no chemicals in this. It's all organic. And it's also undenatured, meaning it's not been heated or cooked. So when we take the protein in, our body assimilates it much easier, more effectively, because it has all of its amino acids in there, ready for consumption, ready to build those muscle tissues. And then we have the greens here. This is foundational as a multivitamin for me. So this is great because it is superfoods. Dr. Tony does it again, and I love this one. So this is going to go in to make my smoothie, and we're off to the races. Cheers.